Welcome to the weekly weather briefing from the National Weather Service in Spokane, Washington. The next few days will feature a zonal flow with warmer than normal temperatures coupled with breezy conditions. This will be followed by a strong warming trend by the weekend with the potential for very warm to hot temperatures going into next week. As we go into next week, it looks favorable for warm temperatures to persist, but we'll also be following potential for disturbances moving into the region, bringing a potential for thunderstorms and gusty winds. A weak cold front will impact the region Wednesday evening into Thursday, with the main hazards being gusty winds. We do not anticipate damaging winds, but the combination of highs in the upper 80s, low humidity, and sustained winds near 20 miles per hour in the yellow shaded area will elevate the risk for spreading grass fires through the dry cheatgrass and sagebrush. Thursday will be another breezy day across the region. Speeds on average will be between 10 and 20 miles per hour with gusts near 25. Temperatures will not be as warm as Wednesday, but still above normal. If you weren't paying attention to this Sunday, these breezy days are beginning to have more and more of an impact on our fuels as they continue to dry out or cure. The last wind event this Sunday resulted in a wildfire near Vantage and another one in Airway Heights. In general, our fuels have not reached critical dryness levels to necessitate red flag warnings, but finer fuels like the cheatgrass and sagebrush are starting to get to a dryness level that can carry fire on windy days. These disturbances passing through this week will also bring a small chance of precipitation to the region. The areas outlined in yellow represent these areas that stand the best shot for some showers or potentially an isolated thunderstorm. By the weekend, the heat is on as a strong upper-level ridge builds over the western U.S. Do not be surprised if a few records are broke, especially Sunday and Monday. And the lowest elevations may even flirt, if not get into, the lower 100s. Here is a glimpse of the forecast temperatures for Sunday. Monday looks similar, but perhaps cooling, maybe 1 to 2 degrees near the Cascades, and going up 1 or 3 degrees across eastern Washington and north Idaho. With the heat looming, we want to take this opportunity to remind you how important it is to stay hydrated, avoid sunburn by using sunscreen or hats, and get into the shade if possible. In addition to personal activities and children's sporting events, make sure to plan for these hot and dry conditions if you're venturing out to any of the outdoor events going on this weekend, ranging from basketball tournaments in Quincy to Mule Days in Reardon, or even the Timberfest up in Sandpoint. As we look into the forecast models for next week, the common theme is for the ridge to persist but begin to slide east. This will open the door to a more southerly flow and increase the potential for moisture transport into the region. If the ingredients line up, it's not out of the realm of possibilities to get a few strong storms. But as of right now, that's based on pattern recognition and not model data. If the ridge slides far enough east, then the marine layer may deepen enough to bring gusty winds into central Washington. There are many possibilities, and overall confidence is low regarding these details, except for on Monday. That looks like right now our best chance for some stronger winds to make it through the Cascade gaps and potentially bring some critical fire weather conditions near Yakima, Wenatchee, and near the east slopes. This goes hand in hand with the Climate Prediction Center's 8 to 14 day outlook, which for June 8th through the 14th is calling for near to above normal temperatures and near to above normal precipitation. So from this graphic, it looks like the ridge will slide east and begin to open that door to more precipitation chances. Thank you for tuning in to our weekly weather briefing for this week. Please follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, in addition to our webpage at weather.gov/Spokane for the latest weather information. Enjoy the week and stay cool.